video. Today I'll be talking about Shiinotic, the only Grass Fairy evolution, second stage Pokemon, and final evolution introduced in Gen 7, being the only evolution of Morolol who evolves at level 24. Shiinotic is also the final Grass Fairy evolution, second stage Pokemon, and final evolution, as of the filming of this. Its previous PYC dates are March 23rd, 1998, January 22nd, 2001, November 24th, 2003, September 25th, 2006, July 27th, 2009, May 28th, 2012, March 30th, 2015, January 29th, 2018, November 30th, 2020, and October 2nd, 2023. I think it's clever to have a mushroom Pokemon that glows. It definitely sets it apart from other mushroom-based Pokemon. I think Shiinotic is creepy, which I think is kind of the point. I think its simple smiley face is a little off-putting. Anyway, let's get in the Bulbapedia article. Hello and welcome to the Bulbapedia section of the video. Today we've talked about Shiinotic, the illuminating Pokemon, whose number is 0756. This is what it looks like. Its type is Grass Fairy. Abilities: Illuminate or Affect Spore. Rain Dish is its hidden ability. Gender ratio is 50-50. Catch rate is 75 or 17.5%. Breeding is egg group grass. Hatch time 20 cycles. Height is 3'3" or 1 meter. Weight is 25.4 pounds or 11.5 kilograms. Base experience yield is 142. Level and grade is medium fast. EV yield is 2 in special defense. Shape is that. Pokedex color is purple and base friendship is 70. Shiinotic is a dual-type grass/fairy Pokemon introduced in Gen 7. It evolves from Morolol, starting at level 24. Biology: Shiinotic is a Pokemon that resembles a large mushroom. It has a slim white body, similar to a stalk, and a large purple mushroom cap on its head. It has black eyes with pale green half-circle markings on the outer sides and a thick black mouth. The ends of its long, thin arms split into 3 pale green filaments that act as fingers. The lower part of its body and stubby feet are covered in a fluffy pink substance. The mushroom cap on its head has a fluffy pink rim, pale green bumps on top, and a pale green gilled underside. This Pokemon lives in dark forests and competes with Parasect over territory. Their fights often leave the area coated in spores. In the Pokemon series episode, Lulled to La La Land, Shiinotic has been shown illuminating the spot and gills on its mushroom. The strange light can confuse people who enter its habitat, causing them to lose their way. Additionally, the flickering spore it releases can cause drowsiness. Shiinotic emitting light from its mushroom cap. It takes advantage of sleeping prey by sucking their energy through the tips of its arms. It can also transmit energy to whomever it likes, be it human, Pokemon, or vegetation, through the same method. In Gen 7, Strength Sap was its signature move, but other Pokemon can still inherit it via breeding. Evolution: Shiinotic evolves from Morolol, so Morolol, Shiinotic. Game data: Pokedex entries in Gen 7 Sun. Forests where Shiinotic live are treacherous to enter at night. People confused by its strange lights can never find their way home again. Moon. It emits flickering spores that cause drowsiness. When its prey succumb to sleep, this Pokemon feeds on them by sucking in their energy. Ultra Sun. It puts its prey to sleep and siphons off their vitality through the tip of its arms. If one of its kind is weakened, it helps by sending it vitality. Ultra Moon. When it starts fighting for territory with Parasect, the entire area gets completely coated in spores. In Gen 8 Sword, its flickering spores lure in prey and put them to sleep. Once this Pokemon has its prey snoozing, it drains their vitality with its fingertips. Shield. If you see a light deep in a forest at night, don't go near it. Shiinotic will make you fall fast asleep. Shiinotic in the Alola Pokedex and Sun and Moon. Shiinotic in the Alola Pokedex and Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Game locations. Side game locations. Held items. In Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, Sword and Shield has the Tiny Mushroom 50% of the time and Big Mushroom 5% of the time. Stats: base stats, HP 60, Attack 45, Defense 80, Special Attack 90, Special Defense 100, Speed 30 for a total of 405. Type effectiveness: damage normally by Normal, Rock, Bug, Ghost, Psychic, and Fairy. Weak to Flying, Steel, Fire and Ice for double, and Poison for 4. Immune to Dragon, resistant to Fighting, Ground, Water, Grass, Electric, and Dark, all for half. Notes: if this Pokemon is given a ring target, the effectiveness of Dragon-type moves is 1, so go from 0 to 1. Learn Set by leveling up. We'll start at 27 here, so 27 Strength Sap, 32 Giga Drain, 38 Dazzling Gleam, 44 Spore, 50 Moonblast, and 56 Dream Eater. By TM/GR we're skipping, since it has the same type as its re-evolution. By breeding we're skipping. Nothing by tutoring, nothing by prior evolution. By transfer from another generation, it can get After You, Charge Beam, Confide, Double Team, Flash, Frustration, and Hidden Power, None of those work anymore. Magic Coat, Nature Power, Recycle. Return, Signal Beam, and Spotlight. Those don't work anymore. Swagger, Synthesis, Toxic, and Worry Seed. Flag Game Data, you got all that. Evolution Data, Moralo, level 24, Shiinotic. Sprites. Got the models. Shiny. Brown for this darker pink, and yellow for this kind of pink. The cap kind of reminds me of Victory Bell in Gen 8. Get the much better models. You get these models. Animation. Shiinotic and Pokemon the series, Sun and Moon. Got all this. Pokedex entries. I recorded this one in the anime section, so we'll let the Rotom Pokedex read it.
Shiinotic, the evolved form of Moralo. Much like Moralo, Shiinotic drain energy, but they can also share energy with those they like.
Gotcha. Pokemon Concierge. Shiinotic and Pokemon Concierge. In the TCG trivia, I read this first point and its subpoints and sub-subpoint in the Parasect video. I read the second point in the Moralo video. In Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, Shiinotic is defined internally as a mythical Pokemon instead of Marshadow. This is likely due to a typo between their internal names, with Mashido, Shiinotic / Mashido, being mistaken for Marshadow, / Machado. Concept and development. Concept art featuring Shiinotic from Pokemon Sun and Moon. Got a bunch of the different angles. Oh, it closes. Oh, interesting. And then you get to see it lighting up with its Pikachu. Origin. Shiinotic may be based on bioluminescent mushrooms, such as those of the genus Mycena. It also features a vulva sac and wide-brimmed warty cap, which are trademarks of the Amita family. Its fairy type may be due to the fact that both families are known to grow in fairy rings, or it may possibly be a reference to fairy fire. From its name, Shiinotic may have some aspects of the shiitake mushroom as well, due to its emphasis on shining light and some of its foreign names, including it. Shiinotic may also intentionally resemble a lamp, especially a bedside lamp with a lampshade. May also be based on the supernatural interpretation of will-o'-the-wisps due to its habits of confusing people in the woods with its lights. The connection between fungi and lights may be a pun on the homophonous Japanese words hako, fermentation, and hako, luminescence. Moralo and Shiinotic's Japanese category is Hako Pokemon. Shiinotic also bears a strong resemblance to a gray alien, and its UFO-shaped cap and ability to lure people away with its light are possible references to tractor beams. Name origin, Shiinotic may be a combination of shiitake, shine, and hypnotic. Mashade may be a combination of mushroom and shade, as in lampshade. And in languages, references, external links, let's move on. Now let's watch Shiinotic's first scene in the anime. Hello and welcome to the anime portion of the video. Today we're watching episode 968, Lulled to La La Land. In this episode, Ash Ketchum, the main character, and his Alolan friends, Mallow, Lily, Sophocles, Lana, and Kiawe, as well as his faithful Pokemon Pikachu, his Rotom Dex, and Lily's Alolan Vulpix, have followed a bunch of Morlul to a tree where they've started to evolve.
Yeah.
Shiinotic. I would say that is Shiinotic's first scene in the anime. Let's move on. Now let's see why other people love Shiinotic. Now let's look at fan art. Hello and welcome to the fan art section of the video. Nobody sent fan art, so instead we're looking at DeviantArt fan art. For those of you familiar with the series, you might be wondering why we're on the single image, and that's because this is the only image we're doing today. This is Shiinotic and Sylveon by MCG Mark. This nice painting of a Shiinotic attracting these three Sylveon here. And it's like mushroom forest area. Very well done. That's it. Let's move on. Thanks to everyone who submitted fan art. I won't be streaming tonight, so I simply don't have time. Tomorrow I'll be talking about Salandit. As always, this is my proper outfit, and I'll see you tomorrow.